So I will open an image for this. So this is our image. I would like to change the color of this image. For this we need to select fuzzy select tool. You can select it from the tools icons, or you can also select from the menu. For example, tools and select tools, and you get fuzzy select. So I will select this fuzzy select tools. After that I will select the color from the image. So I click here, then it will select this color from this object, but be careful, sometimes it is not select so perfectly. You may need to change this threshold value. For example, I make it 77. You can make it like more or less, just to check whether you select the object as you expected. So now our object is selected using a fuzzy select tool. Now I will copy this selection from edit, copy. Then what I do, I will create a new layer. So I will go to this menu, layer, new layer, and you can give the layer name or you can make it as default, but be careful, this fill with properties, it should be transparency. So I select this one, and after that I go to edit and then paste. So now you see we have a floating selection paste layer. After that I have selected this layer, and I will go to colors and then colorize, and from colorize you can select the color. Now we have this color, so we can select. So you see, and the color of the object has changed. Now I will show another way how to change the color of an image. I open an image. So now I will select a path tool from the icons. I select the path tool, then I select the path using these path tools. If you do mistakes, you can press Ctrl Z for undo. I am selecting the path. So I am selecting the path, then I press enter from the keyboard, and then I use select and from path. Now I will create a new layer from the selection layer, new layer. Make sure this fill with properties is transparency. Now we have new layer, and mode is normal by default. I change it from normal to overlay, and after that we have overlay layer, and I select a paintbrush tool from the icons, and then I can change the color from here. So I click this active foreground color, so this color window is open, and the size of the brush you can change from here, size, from this property size. So I make it like this. Now I change the color, and you see the color of the foreground has changed. and you press, and the color of the front glass of the car has changed. So I have select this, and I press brush. I select another color, press this, press this. So using this way, you can also change the color of an object. If you find this video is very interesting, please like it. Thank you for watching.